Go home happy with the 2023 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, heated and/or cooled front seats, proximity key entry, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, sun moonroof, remote engine start, lane keeping assist. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.